Welcome back. So, this is still going to be part of Chapter 3. What I'm doing is, I've noticed a lot of people are struggling with just me explaining how I did this portion. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did that portion. So, I'm not going to make the whole part over again. I'm basically just going to make a rectangular block that matches this. So, let's go ahead and do that. I just need to make my dimensions. Well, I closed it. So let's just figure this out. It's at least 36 by 72 by, I'm going 90. Okay. So let's take a line tool. Let's first make our guide along the red. Okay, line tool. So this was 90. Okay. And it was how tall? 90? No. Okay. This is 90 tall and 72. Okay. So 72, blue, 90, red, 72, 90, and then 36 deep. Okay, while I'm at it, let's just show you. No, we're good. We're good. Okay, so let's just hide this for right now. This is our front of our block. So let's look at our drawing. All right, here's our drawing. So I'm going to drop a guide from here down. Nope, from here up 48, and then just center one. Then we're going to go circle with 12, punch it through, and a circle of 30. So let's at least do that much. So 48 from the bottom along the blue, that way. Bring it to the center point, and we're good. Okay, circle, make sure it's 48 sides. Bring it this way with a diameter of 12, so that's a radius of 6. I lied, it needs to be a radius of 12 for a diameter of 24. So select the circle, go into Entity Info, change the radius to 12. Okay. Now, push-pull tool, push it all the way through. Okay, so now we have our hole. Now, see, the reason why I like my guides on this face is now I can make, everything's going to be concentric with that. It's going to be right at the intersection, hit the right arrow. Or is it green? Green, left arrow. And we're going to go up, and we need to do 30. Okay. Don't push anything back yet, because we need to make our rectangular portion. We're actually going to just draw the profile and then push it all back. So we need to drop a guide 24 down, and then pull a guide up 30 from the base right here. So 24 and 30. So 24, 30, make sure it's along the blue. Okay, and since it's, and then we just use the rectangle tool, connect the dots, erase what we don't need. Okay, right there. And now we are ready to push it back 12 millimeters. Push-pull tool, push back 12 millimeters. And that is how you make that face. It looks like something's going to index with that. I don't know what it is, but kind of cool. So, easy as pie. Let's get rid of our guides, make it look pretty. Delete guides. Okay, there we go. That is how you do it. So, I'm going to unhide my block. And there we go. See, nice and pretty. Okay, well, thank you for watching again, and let's begin Chapter 4.